What would happen if you changed your oil twice in one day? Aside from the obvious waste of $30 or so, it was something I have been curious to try for a while. I wanted to see the color of the oil right after this extra oil change. Would it be closer in color to the new oil, or was there enough oil left after the first oil change to have an instant effect on this new oil as they mixed together? And does this extra oil change even help or clean the engine at all? And before you ask, yes, I know there are engine flush products you can use, but those might not be recommended for older vehicles, as those products can actually flush away some of the contaminants in your engine that actually prevents it from leaking. Anyhow, back to my little experiment. So with the help of my brother-in-law, we changed the oil twice in one day. My last oil change was about 6,000 miles or so ago, so not terrible. What we did was we drained the oil from the vehicle and let it drip for about an hour. Yes, I know, kind of excessive. It pretty much came to a dead stop before we put the plug back in. We put a new filter on and added the recommended 4.8 quarts of oil. I drove it for about 5 miles, then we were ready for the next oil change. Here is where my brother-in-law's previous work experience as a mechanic came into play. He said the color of the 5-mile-old oil would be very close to the color of the 6,000-mile-old oil, but it would also be less viscous. Viscosity is a measurement of a fluid's resistance to flow. For example, water has low viscosity while syrup has a high viscosity. I'll explain why this is important when it comes to your engine oil here in a second. But let's see the results first. So as soon as the drain plug was removed, the oil, which appeared to be very dark in color, shot out with not very much resistance, which confirmed what my brother-in-law said about the lower viscosity. We even had the catch pan too close to the drain plug, so the oil shot out a little too far at first. So while I initially wanted to only see the color difference, I was reminded about why frequent oil changes are important to your vehicle's health. Clean oil efficiently transports these contaminants and debris into your fuel filter, which you also replace at every oil change. If you don't change your oil often enough, it will thicken and become this high viscous sludge, forcing your engine to work harder, not allowing heat to escape, thus potentially overheating and seizing your engine. So the longer you wait between oil changes, the harder your engine is working to pump around that old oil. Although this test right here might not have been the best scientific with correct variables and controls, it was still a pretty cool reminder as to why it is very important to change your oil. Toodaloo.